What's up, YouTube? We're in the shop today, back with another video. ActBest just sent us a bike. It's the Blazer ST Ultra. So today we're gonna unbox that thing, probably take her for a little test spin and see how she rides. All right, so I'm gonna get to unboxing this thing and we will see you guys when we get it opened up. All right, so when you first open the box up, this is what you're gonna be looking at. You can start pulling pieces out, start pulling the loose pieces out. I'm guessing this is a box with the tools or the charger in it. Start pulling the foam out of there. And once we get everything out of here, we'll just pull the bike straight up out of this. All right, guys, so we just got the bike out of the box. We got all the parts and pieces that it came with. We're gonna take all the foam and zip ties off of everything, and then I'll come back and show you guys exactly what the bike comes with. All right, we got everything unwrapped, unboxed, and here is everything we need to put the bike together. We got the front wheel, we got the back and front plastics, we got the seat over there. This bike even came with a $20 Amazon gift card. We got zip ties and bolts. We got a tire pump, which is really cool for a bike to come with. A lot of e-bikes don't come with any of this. It came with a bike lock. You can set this thing to whatever code you want, which is sick. And this thing actually feels like a good bike lock. Like, I'm surprised they're sending these out with bikes. So that's a really good plus. The $20 Amazon gift card and a bike pump. And then we got our pedals. We got the tools that we need to put the bike together. So this is everything you're gonna need to put the bike together. This is the charger in this box. This will charge the bike. A lot of these e-bikes come fully charged. I'll let you guys know how the charge is on this one when we get it all started up. So yeah, I'm gonna put these parts on the bike and we will be back when we get the bike all put together. All right, guys, we got the bars on the bike. Now I flipped it upside down so it's easier to just slide the front wheel on. We're gonna get the front wheel on and then we'll put the rest of the parts on and we'll have the bike pretty much wrapped up. Literally one of the easiest bikes I've put together, bro, the Blazer ST. Make sure you use code Izzdrzy if you guys are interested in purchasing this. We'll see you guys when the bike is all finished. All right, guys, we just finished up our new Blazer. The full build took me about 20 minutes to put this whole bike together. Like I said, it was one of the easiest bikes I've ever put together. The only piece I didn't use was the back wheel cover. I personally didn't want to put that on, but if you'd like, that goes right there on the wheel and you can cover that up. This bike is sick looking. I'm gonna go over some of the features with you guys here and then we'll go out and test it out and see how she rides. All right, off first looks, this bike looks like a really good bike. It's got full suspension, it's got hydraulic brakes, it's got a nice big screen on it. This thing honestly looks like it'd be a lot of fun to just go rip on some trails. Let's power this thing up for the first time and see what happens. Look, I guess we could peel this off, huh? My favorite part about bikes. All right, the screen to me looks really solid. It looks really simple. I like how bright it is. Everything lights up. The bike did come with a full charge like I was saying earlier in the video. A lot of these bikes do come with full charges. All right, guys, I set the camera up. So now I'm gonna tilt this thing over and I'm gonna rip it as hard as I can in the 5th speed mode to see how fast this bike will really go. Got a top speed of 30 miles an hour. Honestly, 30 miles an hour is crazy for this bike. Like, I'll probably never take it that fast. I'll be ripping it on trails, maybe cruising it around in the city or on the beach. But other than that, bro, you don't need to go faster than 30 miles an hour on this bike. And I can almost guarantee there is some way to unlock the speed on this screen to where you won't have a top speed on the bike and you can actually take it faster than 30. It's got a nice rear brake light, so when you're riding it on the road, cars can see you. Now, the really cool thing about these bikes is they're actually street legal, so you can't get messed with. It does have the rear brake light. It also has a headlight. I'm not sure if the headlight comes on automatically. Yeah, so the headlight, I think the headlight comes on automatically at nighttime, so we'll have to try that out. But yeah, I'm gonna take this thing for a test ride. Might pop some wheelies, might pop some jumps, who knows? But yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get outside on the bike. Let's go try this thing out. All right, I'm not gonna lie, the bike ride's really smooth on the road. It probably goes crazy on the dirt too. Like, you can't feel any bumps at all. Let's see how it does going up this hill. Right now we're going 21 miles an hour in speed 5 and it's pushing. We're still going. Yeah, down the hill you can really get up to speed. Right now we're going 27 miles an hour, 28, 29. I'm not even gonna lie, cruising around the city, the first test ride, this thing actually rides really smooth. Like, I didn't expect it because you know, I normally be on like bigger bikes and more expensive bikes, but for this type of bike, bro, this thing rides really smooth. You can barely feel any bumps in the road. The speed, it holds the speed going up the hills, which a lot of these bikes don't do. But yeah, so we just cruised it down the street. Now we're gonna take it on a little bit of trails and see how it does on the dirt. Will it rip up the dirt hill? Yeah, I can't lie. This bike is perfect for it all, dude. This thing will rip on the trails. It'll rip on the street. The Akbest Blazer ST, bro. This thing goes crazy. I think I might have to get me another one of these just so I have two, so me and my buddies can go rip around on the trails. And now I'm not even gonna lie, I normally don't like the pedal assisted e-bikes, but this one is really comfortable. I think I could definitely spend a day on this bike ripping through the trails in the city, especially cruising down the beach or something. This bike is super fun and it has all the features you'd need. If I was you, I'd go get you a Blazer ST for summer and go cruise. You know we gotta get the tires a little dirty. All right, we're back cruising down the street, and one of the best parts about this bike is it's fully legal, bro. The cops don't care about it. You literally won't get picked on at all. You can ride your bike anywhere you want. You don't gotta wear a helmet unless you're under 18. You can cruise this bike down the bike trails. You can cruise this bike on the road, anything you want. Like I said, it has that tail light to keep you safe at night. It's got a headlight to keep you safe at night. It comes with these two keys right here so you can lock up your bike when you're not riding it. But other than that, you don't need to use the keys. I personally don't really unattach the keys because I keep my bikes locked up at all times. All right, guys, that wraps the video up for today. We just did a full review and unboxing on the Akbest Blazer ST. Like I said, this thing's super fun. If you're looking for a pedal assisted e-bike, I definitely recommend it. The tires are a little dirty because I just took it on some jumps. I didn't have anybody to film me, but this thing felt super durable. It felt good on the jumps. The suspension is good. So yeah, like I said, if you're looking for a pedal assisted e-bike, go check out Akbest and use code Izzdrzy for a discount. See you guys on the next video.